So the question is how to use a liquid liner easily and also create a cat eye. So you want to lay the brush right on the lash and drag it down. Okay, and if you're wearing lashes, you want to go ahead and just kind of blend in the liquid liner using the tip. So then the question is, so Jackie, how do you do a cat eye? So what you want to do is you want to go right under the lash and you want to create a straight line. Make sure the line is thicker, then it becomes thinner. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start blending it in. See how easy that was? You're going to connect it later. Look at that. Thick to thin, okay? And then I'm going to stretch it out, and then I am going to connect this part of the liner. Thicker, thinner. And then look how easy that was. Ooh, that is a cat eye. And I'm loving it. I'm obsessed with the line being straight. Perfect. There you go. There you go. This liquid liner is magic. Magic. I love it. Got yourself a cat eye. But not perfect yet. There.